I'm falling for you.
Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of my subscribers for the likes, the comments. Oh my God, I am so grateful. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Today, I want to share with you how I prepare two types of orange juice, the natural orange juice and my sparkling Fanta orange juice. We all know oranges have high source of vitamin C. They are good for the skin, so I will entreat you to take some oranges on regular basis. Yeah, so please let's get started. I have this beautiful and neatly washed 7 pieces of orange, and then my secret ingredient, that is the Fanta. So before then, I cut my oranges into 2 halves like I am doing here and ready for squeezing. So I take my orange squeezer. Yeah, I am using the manual one. You can use the electrical type for your squeezing. So I gently squeeze my oranges one after the other until it is full. And voila, my natural orange juice is ready. Very simple. So I just transfer it into my jar. Oh, so colorful, so juicy and so refreshing. And then I serve. I just add some cubes into a glass and look at that. Oh my God, I hope you want this. So we just garnish it with some orange and we are good to go. So this is the natural one, no preservative, very sweet, very nutritious and simple. So to the next one, that's the sparkling type, I garnish my glass with some brown sugar. I'll just dip it into the sugar to make the garnishing of the glass very simple and very nice. Yeah, you can use any sugar of your choice. I used brown sugar because I wanted to get some color. It makes the tip so sweet. Yes, and you will ask for more Oliver twists. So that is done, and then now I add some cubes to the remaining natural orange juice like I am doing here. Oh my God, this cube is bulky. So I just add my Fanta to it to get the sparkling color, the Fanta color, the Fanta sweetness like I am doing here. Oh my God, the papa. And voila, it's ready. Just drop some orange in it and ready to serve myself. Oh my God. So Please try this at home and you will be happy you did. You know, it's very colorful. Anyone who sees it wants it. They'll be like, give me some, give me some, give me some more. Yeah, so kindly try this at home and send me a comment. Thank you so much for standing by with me. I love you guys. God bless you. Kindly keep the subscriptions coming, the likes and the comments. God bless you. Tasty and fresh. We are touching lives with tasty meals. Bye bye.